18 and 22% of alcohol. In Callum, it's always between 19.5 and 22% of alcohol. It's a very dangerous combination because for those of you who try, you know, for those of you who will try for the first time, you'll know, you don't taste the alcohol, just the sweet. So 1 glass, 2 glasses, 3 glasses, 4 glasses, then you probably remember why it says 22% of alcohol. Okay? Be aware of that, it's a lot of alcohol. The good part, it's not many chemicals and everything, so the end goal won't be as bad as many wines. So that's the good part about porter wine. But still, 22% of alcohol, though it's not to drink a full bottle on one day, okay? After that, we bring the wine rest for 5 to 6 months and we bring it right here to the Nova de Gaia. Traditionally, it was more beautiful, okay? It was more romantic. It was with the boats that you see right there in the river. Nowadays, they are there to take Instagram pictures because we do it by truck, because it's way more efficient. So, why do the Nova de Gaia and not Porto? Basically, it's cheaper, has more space, exactly the same conditions because it's the same river that divides us, and we are facing north, less solar exposure. So everything goes great in favor of Gaia except the name. Porto is more famous than Gaia, so we keep the Porto name. Okay? A lot of people know Gaia because that's the best view you see Porto. So let's take care of the name, taking with a Porto. Right here, the wine will age in 3 different ways. Stainless steel for the white and rosé wines, big barrels that we call balseiros for the ruby wines, and smaller barrels between 250 to 750 liters for the tawny wines. Tawny wines are, the tawny ports are the most famous port, okay? Then, some of the wine is filtered, bottled, and ready to be sold, okay? But imagine, if I'm going to export to the USA or to the UK, there, yes, we send the wine to Porto because Porto has the airports to export the wine, okay? But Brazil might never see the lights on Porto, okay? It depends always on what we want to do. Now, you're going to stand up, and unfortunately, I'll promise I'll try to be quick, but you won't be able to sit unless you sit on the ground until the end of the tour, okay? But right now, we're going to see a small movie of 3 minutes that tells a bit about our history and some of the iconic stamps that we had throughout the way, and of course, a lot of problems that we face.